Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the LG dryer drying rack. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new drying rack. The drying rack is used when you want to dry something in the dryer but you don't want it to tumble. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dryer door. Once you have the door open, all you have to do is reach in, lift the drying rack out, just lift up on the front and pull it out. Here's the old drying rack next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new drying rack in, we're just going to feed it in and set the feet on the back. And then you can set it down so it sets on the lint screen housing. Once you have it in place, you can close the dryer door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.